Okay, let me introduce you the latest giveaway from the decade. It's the perfect travel companion. It's a universal USB car charger. As you can see over here, it charges up iPhones, cameras, GPS, any other handheld device. It has dual USB ports. You see? So two devices at the same time. It comes with connectors. See over here, you see connectors for LG, Nokia, iPhone, Docomo, AU, everything actually covers all the big brands, even the Japanese phones. It comes with the standard blister package, which you can customize whatever you want in one color, full color. It's all included. You can see over here, it lights up. So you plug this in your cigarette lighter, and then it lights up so you can see the logo very clearly. This one was the charger that we have introduced last year. Now we have introduced BrandCharger 2 and even a smaller one, the logo charger, which has the same idea but different models.